The saddest movie? Well, I mean, I don't know the saddest movie, but the first thing that came to my mind was that damn Notebook, man. All right, Vinny, today on It's Live, we're going to be doing a little fermented garlic in miso, a Japanese preparation called misozuki. Super easy, super flavorful, and the end result is just unbelievable. We're going to take some garlic and some miso, we're going to put them in jars, and we're going to ferment it. Man, guess we didn't get the memo, Vinny. Gabby showed up, though.
For breakfast.
Oh, jeez. The ingredients for this, we're going to make two different types, but you can just use one if you wanted to. We have a white miso and a red miso, and then some garlic. Good, you want to get as highest quality garlic as possible. You don't want any soft spots. You don't really want any of that green germination coming out of the tips, you know, where it starts to sprout. You don't want that. I'm a big garlic guy. I don't know if you guys picked it up. These I picked up at a nice farmer's market up in Hudson, New York. I forget the farmer, but they were real nice and firm. There's a place in Union City, if you guys happen to be in the New York area, the Union Square Farmers Market. There's a guy, Keith's Farm? I think it's just Keith's Farm. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Medicinal grade. We made an episode about miso if you wanted to make your own. It takes a little bit of time, but it's actually relatively simple. What it is beans, traditionally soybeans, and a barley or rice grain that is inoculated with a bacteria and mold. This is a store-bought brand. I like these guys. They're at Asheville, South Carolina? Asheville, North Carolina. Miso Masters. You can get them in Whole Foods or any big store, and that's what we're going to use today. So let me opening up some garlic. You have any? So I'm going to do 2 heads in each, and that's more than enough. You could really probably use 1. The more garlic, the more garlicky flavor, obviously. This is going to take a minute, Vinny, so get comfortable. Oh, yeah. This is good stuff. You can tell my fingers getting real sticky. Oh, I love garlic. Maybe one day, Vinny, I'll have a nice plot of land, and I'll just grow garlic. You know, farmers, I mean, I know they get, people love their farmers and stuff, but they don't get enough credit, man. I forget the farmer. And farming is so hard. You know, everyone just takes for granted. Oh, just go to the store, get your garlic. Oh, go get your carrot. You know how hard it is to grow that stuff? I don't hear anyone complaining about how expensive good ingredients are. I mean, I have a garden, and this year I got, I had the beautiful zucchinis and squash, and who'd have known? This little moth came flying through, laid his eggs in the stems of them, and then they go in there and just, chew away and destroyed my entire crop. Yeah, I got some skunks that go back there rooting around. I had a groundhog, but I evicted him. I just, told me how to move out. Sorry, pal, it's not you, it's me. Well, no, it's definitely you. But you gotta go. I get it. My backyard's amazing. There's lots of food, but very inconsiderate. I would do a crush on that one. Oh, it's so much easier. Boop, pops right out. That's how I like to peel garlic. But in this application, we need some whole cloves, so don't act like you don't know. When you crush the garlic, why make you do this? When you crush the garlic, no, we don't have to do that. When you crush the garlic, to the best of my knowledge, it thinks something's eating it, and it's its defense, and it creates a new chemical compound called allicin. And that's what is very burny, big anti-bacterial, just super good for you. If you're ever feeling a little froggy, which means sick, you go ahead, you crush up a little garlic, let it sit for about 10 minutes, get that 2-part going, and then just eat that stuff up raw. Chew it into a paste. Breathe in the vapors. I'll give you a demo in a minute, Vinny, but hold on. Perfect example. A little blemish, you see? Blemish removed. All right, we made it, Vinny. We're done. Let me do a little clean. So we have our 2 piles of garlic, and here's our little crush pile, Vinny. Let's take our little daily dose of garlic. There you go. That's for you. Raw, crushed. Oh, yeah, pop it right in. Chew it up, got a little paste going. And what I like to do, this might, I don't know if it does anything, but in my head, ooh, it's spicy, Vince. Get some of them garlic vapors in your lungs. Woo! Burning my whole entire mouth. That's how you know it's good. You feeling a little cold coming? Oh, yeah. Bam! Bam! I feel like I took, it gives me like superpowers, right? All of a sudden you feel like you can do anything. I'm going to jump down and do push-ups, Vinny. Meow. Oh, let me get a splash of water. I got a little garlic thing going on. Oh, yeah, that's the stuff. Now let's get serious. We're going to start off with the red miso. I like to pack a little bit of the miso into the jar. Nice little miso foundation. Now that we have a nice little miso pad, I like to just drop a couple in there. Like so. One of the crushed ones, one of the full ones, okay? And then we're going to do another layer of the miso, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, isn't that nice? I like to get as much air out as possible. I want that garlic to be covered in the beautiful miso. Oh, I almost just want to eat that. How good does that look? All right, last two, big boys. Yeah, these big boys. Big bad boys. Oh, that's the stuff. I give it a quick little bang down like that, too. And there you have it. Let's do the white real quick, yeah? Same thing. Same exact thing. And this is really exciting. Because as it starts to ferment, Vinny, all the gases come out and make all these little crazy natural like pockets, like fissures would be the word. It's really quite the spectacle. And that really lets you know that it's working. So looking forward to seeing that. Okay. Give it a little wipe. So miso just has that nice salty, sweet umami-ness. And when you add garlic that ferments to it, all that nice garlic flavor just kind of leaches into that already flavor bomb of miso. And it really just does magical things. I got these here lids, and we're just going to go ahead and throw them right on, Vince. Okay. There you go. These gaskets. I'll put my little date right on the top. Nice, nice. I check it every day, but Vinny, you're going to come back, say, Thursday. All right, today's Monday, so that's like 3.5 days, right? And we'll see what happens, huh? It's going to be great. And look at these jars. They give us nice visuals here. Here, don't look at this. Top secret. So we'll circle back then and see what happens. All right. You said you loved me. So we left off with miso, okay? We started on Monday. It's now Thursday. Lots of activity here, Vince. Come on, come on. Look, you got little gas pockets around the garlic. All the liquid stained from the miso. Pretty cool stuff. Exhibit B looks like a morel mushroom. Lots of expansion, lots and lots and lots of trapped gas. Vinny, let's bring these over to the cutting board because I got a little theory about this. This is a mellow, sweet white miso. This one, I don't know if this one fermented more or if this one is just trapped in a denser suspension in the older miso. But this one has clearly got way more gas. And also, look, there's so much more displacement. There's no more headspace. We used the same amount of miso. This lifted up a little bit, but this one blew the clip, and it's got miso. Oh, that looks kind of good. Let's taste that. It's got like miso goodness popping out. Ooh, this stuff is firmed up from the oxygen. This is still nice. Look at that. Look how fluffy and pillowy it is from all that trapped gas in there. Look at that, Vinny. And let's open up the red one. That don't look too much different than when we started. Oh, the smell. I wish you guys could smell this, but you'll have to do it yourself. I mean, miso by itself is a fermented product, as we know, and it gives off its own umami kind of big smell. And then when you ferment the garlic in it, it just becomes it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. So I get some liquid around the garlic there. This could probably even go a little longer. Here's another red miso that I packed crushed garlic in weeks ago. And look how much darker, just with a little time, look how much darker it gets. Oh, wow, look at that. Came flying out like a big pillowy. Now the garlic didn't seem to change too much. It's a little softer. So let's cut these open. This is the old one. We'll leave that one for last. This is the one that's packed in the red. I'm just going to cut it open. Oh, wow, the whole texture. It almost reminds me a little bit like black garlic that's not black. It has the texture almost of like a jelly. Oh, that looks good. Well, I put that on anything, Vince. Well, today we're going to put it in miso soup, but you could pop this stuff in a braise. You could literally put it in almost anything. Yeah, some stir fry. I mean, whatever you're cooking, I think, or vinaigrette. I think you could mash. You know, it depends how much funk and garlic you're into, but I really care for it. What's up? You seem very sad. All right, so we're gonna slice open the old red too, because I just want to see what that looks like with a little more time in there. Oh wow, texture. It actually seems like it firmed up a little. Look at that color. That's the most beautiful thing I've seen in a while. You drape that over a little fish. Ooh. I'm gonna try it real quick, okay? Big salty, big miso. The garlic is definitely there, but it kind of mellows. Oh, it's delicious. And then let's cut open the white one real quick. Oh wow, very soft. Look at that. You put that on a little pizza. Oh, let me eat that. That still has a little bit of pepper to it. Oh yeah. Oh, Vinny, this, I get like superhuman strength when I eat garlic. Here, you try, Vince. Don't cut yourself. Right? Let me just see your reaction. Yeah, breathe it in. That's why we roll, Vinny. All right, where were we? Let's make a little miso soup out of this, all right? So, real quick, I made some dashi, which is water, some kombu, which is, in this case, a North Atlantic kelp, okay, dried, some bonito flakes, which is a smoked bonito fish loin that's fermented. That's a whole thing, Vinny. We should really do that. And then some wakame seaweed that's dried. We'll rehydrate it. But to make the dashi, well, look it up on Google. Maybe we'll do that another time. I'm going to put just a dollop of the miso in. Yeah, let's stir that around. Maybe we'll float a little garlic right on top of it too, huh? And then we'll put maybe a little shiitake mushroom in it too. And then we'll cut up a couple scallions. And then, I'm just going to drop a little tofu in, just cubed up. Let's plate this up. Look, I found this cute little bowl. Got me excited. Oh, it smells so good. Then we nailed it. I could drink gallons of this stuff. Well, look, we'll drop a couple more scallions on it. Pop, pop, pop. All right, and then our specimens. This is the this is the few weeks. This is like 5 weeks. Let's just drop a few of those in there because, man, I just really like garlic. So that's it. Fermented garlic miso soup. Oh, you know what? I would add a little bit more miso, but it's quite nice. It's quite nice. It's got a nice little subtlety of garlic, a little smokiness from the bonita. Oh, Vinny, I gotta make you a bowl. I feel a little weird. I feel a little weird eating soup standing up by myself in an empty kitchen. Hey, you guys want some miso soup?
Yes, I thought you would never ask.
Line up, folks. And then if you want, you can drop some garlic in there too.
You say that about everything. It's like your kid's first birthday, you're making cake. You're like,
Oh, they've had raw garlic.
Put some garlic on there if you want.
Hey, you know, it keeps vampires away. I got a theory about that.
Oh, God. This is so good.
Look at that. Look how freaking beautiful that is, Vinny. One more. Look at that, though. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
I get so excited, Emil.
I know you do.
I know.
I know you do. I
I've
like
been
that about
waiting
you.
all my life for this.
All right, well, I'm glad you made it.
People wait.
Oh, yeah. Well, there you have it. Fermented garlic miso soup. Thank you for joining my friends. And bon appetit. Let's eat more garlic. Yeah. I don't know why, but we have hot water problems in this building. It's still not warm. Is there a little man underneath the counter with a blowtorch heating the pipe? What's going on? It's 2025. Now there's a lot of people making it here, and puberty. Language, please.
What?
No respect for the kids.
Oh, somebody said
Yeah, you.
it wasn't me, it was God.
Yeah, I'm trying to do an educational program here. People back there cussing. See if you're getting hot water. Back there. Huh? Water. Check the water. Who talks like that?
Literally everyone but you.
Boy, I love water. No, we're not throwing garlic around, Delaney.